Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Yorùbá Entertainment Gist, níbi tí a ti ń mú àwọn ìròyìn Yorùbá àti àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn. Ẹ máa bá wa kálọ.
All right, what I'm about to review now, I'm pretty sure if it gets to the people involved, they will quickly try to destroy evidence. However, I am willing to work with the Nigerian police and give them the evidences I have. And also, anybody that feels that I'm lying, they can sue me to the law courts and I will bring evidences to back up whatever thing I am posting now. Yesterday, I sent mohbadwife Instagram handle to my hacker, the person that hacks for me and gets my evidences. So when I sent it to him, I said, check this name and Iyabo if the IP matches. He said, I'll start the work now, and once I'm done, I'll let you know the result. The geolocation is very delicate. Thus, the surgical precession. Let me start. Then I said, okay. I sent him that message around 11:25. So this morning, around 1:04 a.m., he sent me a message and he said, this one no even put in any effort. Same person, she's literally just switching accounts with one device. See IP address, same CIDR notation, same IP address. She is the laziest and lousiest I've seen in a long while. Now let's quickly analyze the IP address. Now, as you can see, http Instagram _C33y_. That is mohbadwife. Now the IP address is this: DB IP 0109-2024, IP address 163.70.147.174. Now let's quickly check Iyabo Ojo's own. As you can see, http Instagram Iyabo Ojo Feshpri, DB IP 0109-2024, IP address 163.70.147.174. As you can see, the two IP address matches, meaning these both accounts are being logged on one phone, and we all know who. Obviously, Iyabo Ojo. The question is, why is mohbadwife Instagram logged on Iyabo Ojo's phone? Obviously, she's actually the one posting on behalf of mohbadwife. That's number one. The reason why I said the evidences will be destroyed immediately it gets to them is this. If you remember, I came online and I said this lover IP address match with Tonto DK's IP address, which I can bring back again to judge you guys' memory. This is Gistlover IP address. As you can see, Instagram Gistlover_media outlets 18560219174. Tonto DK 18560219174. Immediately I dropped this video, Instagram Gistlover deleted the account and lied to the general public that the account was disabled. The account was not disabled. They tampered with the evidences. Immediately I posted it, they went to go and delete it. So nothing happened. It wasn't disabled. They deleted that account. Do you understand? That's why I said they will tamper with evidence. Now let's go back to all this case. If you remember, Iyabo Ojo, Gistlover and Tonto D came for this case. Also, let me take your mind back again. You remember this video?
Now, if a camera was installed there, let's even assume that a camera was installed there. The camera is outside now, not inside the living room, not in their bedroom, not in their staircase, outside. Mohbad died inside the house. So even if there was a camera...
You all heard Iyabo Ojo, that's from her mouth. She said even if there's CCTV in the compound, the CCTV will not capture what happened inside the house because Mohbad died inside the house and CCTV camera was outside. She sounded very sure. I still ask the question again. I say, Iyabo Ojo, how did you know Mohbad died inside the house? Ladies and gentlemen, the truth of this case is this. Mohbadwife is not innocent, obviously. The truth of the matter is, it's possible, 100% possible, that she was the one that physically attacked the boy, and maybe not deliberate, maybe not trying to harm him, then mistake happened and the boy died. You understand? That's why they dropped the boy body on the ground and they waited for nurse to come from Cotonou. Now, if you remember the testimony Mohbadwife gave, she said the reason why they didn't rush Mohbad to hospital quickly is because Mohbad does not like the hospital. Your husband, they buy, you say you no carry him go hospital because the guy no like hospital. But at the end of the day, when he don't eventually buy, you can't, they carry on the rush go hospital. Now, the three boys in that video, what are they saying? Do you understand? What are they saying? Anyways, like I said, mohbadwife is the #1 suspect. On the 12th of September, we'll make it 1 year since make it 1 year since Mohbad died. These people came and said Mohbad didn't have any money, but they are packing properties. Mohbad didn't have anything, but they said they willed, Mohbad rights will, Mohbad bought land and he willed it to his son. Do you understand? Say he willed it to his son. Now, according to my investigation, the money on record, Mohbad left with $75,000. Now, these same people again try to pin it on Prime Boy. And Prime Boy is also saying the wife knows a lot of things about it. This same wife does not have time to talk about anything pertaining Mohbad, but you have time to go and pack properties for Mohbad house. You understand? Nigerians, I know a lot of you women are very sentimental, but I pray something like this does not happen to your family members any day, anytime soon. And Iyabo Ojo, I want to tell you this. You have children. I think you have a son and a daughter. I'm not even sure, but I know you have a daughter. But I heard that you have a son. Now, you have a son and a daughter. I pray in high heavens that nothing of this will happen to your children. And I pray whatever thing you have involved in this Mohbad case, I pray it doesn't haunt your children. But if you feel what I'm saying now is defamation of character or I'm lying, you can sue me to the law court. And like I said, I have evidences to back up my claim. Thank you very much. Like I said, you'll go and destroy the evidence now.